welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making slime, and before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know every single time I upload a new video. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this clear pink glitter glue, and I'm going to be putting some gel soap into it, and inside of this bottle I have Gain, and then I'm going to be putting some glitters into it. So I'm first going to be starting off by applying my glue. So I finished pouring in my glue and I got as much as I could. So now I think I'm going to add some glitter. So I'm going to add some of this dark purple. I'm going to add some of this rose gold pink. And I'm going to just add in some gold. And now I'm going to mix it. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in some water. That in. So now I have my water all mixed in, and now I'm going to add in my gel soap. So I added about 3 pumps. Okay, so now it's time to add in the activator. And it is green, so I'm really hoping it does not change the color from pink. So it's still a bit sticky, so I'm just going to add in some more Gain. A little help. It did change the color to like a purple. So okay guys, so this is my finished slime, and it's very stretchy and very crunchy, and then it looks like really good, you can see. And it does bubbles like really good too. So it's like huge. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you know every single time I upload a new video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what's your favorite type of slime. So, bye!